Hello, friends! This is Agatha Fiala, and today I have a powerful session for you. I'm going to open your eyes to the possibilities of trading. So, have you ever wondered if you can start learning trading with just 10 or 20 in your account? Many people think it's impossible, but today I'll show you exactly how it can be done. Before we begin, I withdraw all my funds and leaving only a minimal deposit to create conditions as close as possible to what beginners experience. My name is Agatha Fiala, and throughout my 8-year career, I have worked with investors who have achieved significant results, shared my knowledge in top financial media, and helped many people understand trading. I know that anyone can master these skills with the right tools and knowledge. Imagine being able to apply this knowledge in real life and move forward your financial goals. Watch this video until the end and I will break everything down for you step by step, how this method works and the key points you need to know. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Before we continue, I have something important to share. In 2024, one of the most in-demand skills will be the ability to generate income independently. We are on the verge of a new technological era where this is possible without complicated theories or years of learning. I've already been through this process, and now you can fast-track your journey. I have created a community where traders share strategies and insights based on real market analysis. My live trading sessions are an opportunity to see how I make decisions in real time. And listen carefully. All you need is 30 minutes a day and a phone, plus the willingness to take action. But there is a catch. I personally mentor every beginner, so the number of spots is strictly limited. If you don't join now, you may miss this opportunity forever. So right now, it's completely free. Don't put it off. Pause this video right now, click the link in the description or pinned comment and join my trading community. Now, let's continue. Now let's move on to the most interesting part, market analysis. I'm going to break down one of my strategies that works great for both beginners and those who are already familiar with financial market analysis. We will analyze market movements. I'm starting the analysis and let's see where we end up by the end of this session. It's time to begin. First action. I see that the value was moving downward, but then it reversed and now it's moving up, reaching new highs. We see growth potential and consider possible options. I also check the indicators. One of them is currently below the critical zone, meaning the asset is oversold. This suggests that the value will likely rise soon. On a slight correction, I consider opening a trade. A great start. Let's keep going. Moving on to the second analysis. Right now, the chart shows a downward trend, but the value has slightly corrected and entered a sideways range. This means the price is fluctuating within a narrow range without a clear upward or downward trend. It moves back and forth without breaking out. The analysis shows a potential opportunity for action. A strong start. It's motivating me to keep going. Continuing the trading session, I move to the third situation. Again, we see sideways movement and no clear trend. The perfect moment to enter a trade in such cases is when the price touches the upper boundary. Right now, that's exactly what's happening. The value is approaching the upper limit of the range. I'm considering opening a short position, and I also check the indicators. This is getting interesting. Let's continue the analysis. It's time to go back to the first pair. The value has hit a new high, but now a correction downward has begun. This is a natural market movement. I check the indicators. One of them shows a bounce, and I anticipate further decline. The second indicator also shows a reversal. Its lines are starting to diverge downward. The analysis suggests a potential correction, so I consider the options. Awesome! Moving forward, you've seen how I analyze the market, and you now know that this can be applied in real time. But you might be wondering, what if I'm a beginner? But great news, that's not a problem. In my community, beginners start from scratch and quickly begin applying their knowledge in real-world trading. They learn market analysis, spend just 30 minutes a day and see their first results. Access to the community is open, and all you need is a phone and access to the community. I will share my 8 years of experience and show you the exact analysis methods I used. Just follow my recommendations and learn. But remember, spots are limited. If you don't join now, there may not be any spots left later. Pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment and join the community now. Now, let's continue. As we can see, this pair is still in a sideways range, but now the value has approached the lower boundary. Everything indicates a reversal, so I enter a long position. I check the indicators. One of them is near the lower level, showing a potential trend reversal soon. Very good, but we're just getting started, so let's continue. Switching to the next pair. The value has broken out of the sideways range downward, meaning the market has chosen a direction and the downtrend is likely to continue. I check the indicators. The lines are pointing downward, confirming the trend continuation. This line is also declining. We want to go against the trend. Everything suggests further decline, so I join the movement and open a short position. What do you think of this result? Shall we continue? Moving on to the next analysis. The chart shows a sharp drop. The value broke through the 1998 level with a strong impulse without building up volumes. Such movements often end in a false breakout, after which the value returns above the level. I check the indicators. They are already in the oversold zone, meaning the selling pressure is weakening. Everything indicates a reversal, so I enter a long position. We've done a great job and we are not stopping yet. I see the sideways movement is ending and the value is pressing against the lower level. This is a key moment. After the last bounce, the value quickly returned and didn't even reach the upper boundary of the range. This suggests weakness on the other side. If the level fails to hold, a strong impulse downward usually follows. So I open a short position expecting a breakout, and it happens. Alright, let's finish our analysis with one more trade. After a strong drop, a correction began and it looks like it will continue. I check the indicator, it has turned upward. The second one has also bounced off the lower level, meaning the value has exited the oversold zone and the opposite side is getting stronger to continue the upward move. There is a chance the value will retest the sideways range, so I enter a long position. Look at the results of our analysis. Impressive, right? But always remember risk percentages and take action only after thoroughly analyzing the charts. So, you've seen market analysis in action, and you now understand how it works. And now you have two choices. You can either close this video and stay exactly where you are, or you can take your first step toward learning market analysis. Market analysis isn't just about numbers, it's about making choices, about having the freedom to decide how to manage your time and opportunities. In my community, people study market analysis alongside me. I conduct live analytical sessions, break down my methods, and help beginners understand the fundamentals. Every day, I showcase real-time analysis, share my strategies, and teach the exact methods I use. You can start learning market analysis even if you have zero experience. Right now, entry to the community is free, but access is limited, as I personally guide each new member. So don't wait, pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment, and join us right now while spots are still available. What will you choose? A year from now, will you be thanking yourself for taking action or regretting that you let fear hold you back? The choice is yours.